Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video actually I will complete this prepare callbacks. Okay, so actually we'll be writing everything as a Python module because we have created this thing on the notebook. Okay, now actually we'll be writing as a Python script. Okay, so for this actually first of all I need to write my entity. Okay, so I'll open my entity, this config entity file. Okay, so I'll open this file. So here I will copy paste the same thing. So let's copy, and I will come here. Yeah, so this thing only. Now what I need to do, I also need to add my configuration manager. Okay, so but before that I think you remember I also need to import this thing, okay, inside my entity constructor. So I'll open my constructor. So here I also need to import my uh, prepare uh, callbacks. Okay, so here if you see, I also need to import this prepare callbacks configuration. Okay, so I already imported this thing, so let me save it. Now I'll just close this thing. Now I will write my configuration. So I'll open my configuration.py. So here I'll just copy paste the same thing. So this is my get prepare callbacks. Okay, let me open my configuration.py. So here I will mention the same thing only. Okay, it's done. Now I also need to import this prepare callbacks configuration. So here let's import it. Yeah. So is there any error? Yeah, now I think everything is fine. Now once it is done, then I also need to add this prepare callbacks components. Okay, so for this actually inside this components folder, okay, I will create another file. So let me create. So I will just name this file as prepare callback. Okay, callback.py. So this is the file name. So here first of all I need to import some of the libraries. I also need OS. Okay, then I also need to import my prepare config, this thing. Okay, so I'll just copy paste from here, configuration. I'll just copy, and I just need to import my prepare callbacks config. Okay, so this thing I only need to import. Now the same code I will just copy paste here. Okay, so let me copy, and I will open this file. Yeah, so that's it, I think. Okay, then inside this component constructor, okay, I also need to import this thing. So I'll just write from cnn classified.components and prepare config. Okay, prepare callbacks, and import my this class. Okay, I just need to call. Yeah, so that's it. Now actually here you don't need to add the pipeline because what I'm going to do, I'm going to call this prepare callbacks inside my training pipeline. Okay, so that's why actually I don't need to create any separate stage, okay, for this prepare callbacks, because prepare callbacks is only responsible during your training. Okay, so during training I will call this one and I will pass this thing in my training. Okay, training module, and this will actually prepare all the callbacks. Okay, so as of now I think everything is fine. We have completed. So here actually I'm not going to create any separate stage for these prepare callbacks. Okay, so in our next video we'll be starting writing this training pipeline. Okay, training components. So then actually I'll be using this thing. Okay, so now what I need to do, I also need to commit these are the changes. So let's do the change. So I'll just write git add, then git commit -m callbacks callbacks final. Okay, now I'll just write git push origin main. So yes guys, this is all from this video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.